Welcome to this lesson. On this particular lesson here, I will go through you on all the basic three of the fit movement onto your leg work. Put them together into one so you can able to practice on this particular lesson over and over again to get familiar with this so to get your body strong. Let's do the training. Let the boy you gym. On the first one, you're familiar with already the goal stand. Get me to the goal stand for me. So make sure your leg, goal stand, leg strong. Important. Leg here got to make sure it's right. Otherwise, we're going to have problem later. On here, the back, leg, everything got to be straight. Spend a little bit of time practice. And every time I do the training and teach any of my students, do this training course, I make sure that I tell you the best ability. Now from here, you need to open the leg one more until the whole stand. That's the whole stand. Back straight, get in line. Okay? All this movement here that you've been practicing already. And you're already understanding when you're working with more, the leg inside here, bit hip here, leg here, a bit stronger. And that's feel good when it starts kicking. Next exercise, out on the feet for the ninth one. So feet out like that, pick the feet up, so in halfway and down. Very, very important. Spend a little bit of time to make sure you can do all this correctly. Okay? From here, and get back to the goat stand from here. Boom, and then you go back to goat stand. And then what you do, you just swap it from that one to the whole stand. And then you back to whole stand. You soon feel tired down here, and then you go into the half stand. That fit coming in. And that's important. Make sure it's changing from one to another to you're able to understand how each one works. So from here, you go to the goat one, goat stand. Very simple. Back, everything straight. After that, you open it up one more round to whole stand. Back here, everything in line. When you're working, nobody keep an eye on you. I will keep an eye on you and make sure you're doing correctly in line like that. Okay? And then back again to half stand. Very, very easy to do. Make sure you're in line here, back is straight. Look forward. Okay, finish it off. Hand together. Very simple. Thank you for that. That is the whole idea of the training. Everything you need to learn, understand the hand position. Boom, boom, boom. Leg inside like that. And then your hand into here. Leg got to be strong. Back one more, hand like this. You can do it like this way, okay? And then you can back here, you can do it this way. Make sure that square in line. When you've done that already, bring it in, and you can do it this way for the knife. Understand the hand, or you can do it this way. Doesn't really matter which way you want to do it. And if you finish with that, you back the whole stand. You can back into here if you want, or you can back to here, or you can back to here. Which way you want to do them, doesn't matter. The most important thing, leg in place, everything in line, leg out in position, and then you do just fine. So spend a little bit of time to familiar with all this technique. All this movement, so that way it's going to be easier. If you have any problem, all you need to do if you do the training course with us and you're one of my students online, all you need to do is just film it in and put into the YouTube and ask us to have a look for you before you move on. That's not a problem. You do that. Okay, spend a little bit of time practice. I will see you on next lesson.